Hello. Now I'm going to open a box with it's for the kids, JetKids. What is this? It's some kind of travel bundle, some small luggage or something you can make us. But we will see what is inside here. But it's from Stokke and it's for the kids. So we will check how it. I haven't seen this kind of before, so it will be maybe this way. Interesting to open it. Let's see what they have. So I was thinking this one too when we are traveling, flying to Philippines, so it's good for the kid. Oh, nice color this. Nice color. Oh. Yes, JetKids by Stokke. This one, and this has coming off. Yes, and it has carry-on baggage. So this one, and you can sit in and then you can. Yeah, I think this will be good when we are traveling. So let's open. Check how it look like inside this. I even don't know how to open this, but oh, here you have something inside also. You can make a bed of it. This. But we can open this one and check. Oh, like this. And then put the lock on. Like this, and then I think you can put it like this. Wait a minute, like this. Oh, is it going only to be like this? Maybe I put it in the wrong way. I will try this way, but I don't think it doesn't matter how you put it. No, it's going to be like this. I can take some example of this. Probably, I think the fly seat is a little bit lower than that, but it's going to be like this, and some strap, and then you get some small mattress, or what this is. You can put it. It's coming. This is coming to in the fly seat like this, or maybe this way. And this one is coming on the top here. Then it's in the, you can put it in the fly seat, and then your kid can sleep good when you can straight full legs, and like that, so it will be, if you fly in the night time, so it's much easy to do it with this. Yeah, this was very interesting, and it's going to be interesting to try this out after a few months when we are going to Philippines. It's not so long time for that when we are traveling to Philippines. Oh, it's good, it's standing in the place also this. And then you got, yeah, of course, instructions, and then you got some stickers also, what can be glued on the hand luggage, or this luggage. And then of course the instructions. Some pictures. Of course it can be, now when I was checking the instructions, so of course it can be like this. It doesn't need to be in the, it can be even here like this. You can adjust it to the right height on the fly seat, or like this. It's pretty good. Yeah, this Stokke, they are making pretty good quality of to the children. It's very easy to move it also. Yes, this was pretty nice, this. It's easy to, when your kid has been sleeping, so then you pack everything inside it and close it, and then it's like this, and then you can put the straps on here, and you can, yeah, this was the unboxing of this JetKids sleeping. I don't even know what this is. Is it some luggage, or is it some only for the sleeping, or making a bed in the fly seat? And but we'll find out what it is. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.